Buenos días, clase. Soy la señora Fernández, and I'm gonna be your teacher for summer school. Today, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go over the activities that you guys had to complete in order to get credit for Spanish 1. Some of you may have to complete all 6. Some of you maybe a couple of them, and some of you may have to do just one. Okay? So you're gonna receive a packet like this with the directions and instructions. Okay? And right here, okay, you're gonna have a lesson about the verb ir. Ir means to go. Ir is a regular verb, okay? So you need to pay attention to the rules because it's not the same thing to conjugate ir de some verbs like cantar or estudiar or bailar, okay? So right here you have the notes. It's very important that you read them and then you use them. You're gonna need them to use to complete your assignments. Okay, so these notes are for 2 worksheets. Again, you may have to do one, maybe you have to do both, okay? And all of them, right here, you have the directions. Some of them you have to go, like fill in the blanks. Sometimes you have to either underline or highlight. Okay, that's the first one. This is the second one. Okay, this is a different one. You still need to use ir. Okay, the next one. This is a grammar lesson. Okay, this is a vocabulary that you need to ask questions in Spanish. And you had samples of everything. Okay, right here, again, it's very important this right here, the upside down question mark. Remember in Spanish, if you don't put the question mark in front of the sentence, it's not a question. Okay, and right here, you have the examples and the translation of these questions. You're going to use these notes to complete this activity. Okay, again, you had fill in the blanks, and in the second part, it is the same, but now you have choices. It's either a donde or donde. Okay, the next one, soccer. Okay, soccer is the most important sport in Latin America and all the Spanish countries. Okay, so right here you had a little bit information about the history of soccer. I want you to read that. And right here, what you're gonna do, you're gonna research a famous football soccer player. Okay, if you don't have a favorite one, well, then you will have to choose another one. You don't have to answer this in Spanish. You can answer this in English, but remember to give me complete sentences. Okay, and answer all of them, not just a couple. Okay, the next assignment, La Familia de Sofía. Okay, so this activity is about reading and comprehension. You want to read a little bit about Sophia's family, and you want to answer the questions. For this activity, you had multiple choice, but you need to pay attention for gender and number. Okay, this is another grammar lesson. This one is about the verb tener. Tener means to have, and you used it before. Okay, but now we had more ways to use the verb tener. You're gonna use this one to understand the reading. Okay, you have the family tree, and right here you have sentences. They are gonna tell you the relationship between them. Remember, the family tree, we usually start with the grandparents. Okay, and then you have right here is going to show you who is the son or the daughter of these grandparents. And like this is a couple, this is their kids, another couple and their kids. Okay, and right here you have the example. It's very important that you follow this as an example because you're going to have a family tree. This is the vocabulary that you're going to use for the next activity, and this one is going to help you also for the Sophia reading. Okay, And this one is going to be the last activity, La Familia Perez. Okay? Again, what you're going to do, you want to find the relationship between, for example, Pedro and Luis or Javiera and Diego. Okay? Remember, we start with the grandparents, Pedro and Maria, and then their kids. And then who they're married to. Casados means married. And this is class, let me see, I think that was the last one. Yes, that's the last one. Okay, like I said before, you have 6 assignments. Some of you may have to do all of them. Some of you just a couple of them. Since I'm going to be your teacher for the next 6 weeks, no, 4 weeks, 4 weeks, only 4. For the next 4 weeks, you can ask me any question, okay, through Schoology or your G Cloud email, and I'm going to be available to help you too, okay? So, and this is it. This is for Spanish 1, these are going to be your assignments. Gracias y que tengas un buen día.